everyone. So we're working on a 12-inch round today. We're going to do a Boilermaker. So I'm using the Payne's Gray mixed with the gunmetal metallic for my base. And on our colors, I did put three drops of treadmill silicone in here. And I'm just rubbing it on the inside of the shot glass because when I use the spray, it still doesn't work. So hopefully this will work better. I'm not saying that it will. We'll try it. Alright, so colors. And since we're using the Payne's Gray, I decided to go with the Beach Retreat Shimmer. These are from our paint line. And also our Snowy White Iridescent Pearl. And then I'm going to throw in Folk Art Blue Violet Flash and Folk Art Purple Flash. So I'm going to start, I think I'll start with the Purple Flash. And try to get 2 rounds in. Then we'll do the white. Now all these colors have silicone in them, so we will get cells. Let's do the purple there. And then the Beach Retreat. Okay. I like this Snow White Iridescent Pearl. It's pretty when it dries. Go back to the Blue Violet. And the Beach. The Retreat. That didn't happen. Alright, so let's KERPLUNK it. Now this cup has quite a ways to go before it hits the canvas, so it probably will leak out a little bit. And we're definitely going to hear that shot glass hit the canvas. I'll let that drain just for a second. I like to do Boilermakers because they don't ever come out the same. Every single one of them is different. I can never like try to do one, somebody will see one and it's sold and I can't recreate it. There's just no way. It's kind of like when you do a flip cup, they never come out the same. So I did get a peak of color come out, which is good, not a lot. So I know I have plenty of paint to play with. So I'm going to keep my color here in the middle so I don't lose it all. Let that drain out a little bit more. Just a little bit. I know I have enough color there. Alright, let me give it a torch. Pop those bubbles. You see my white peeking up? It's pretty just like that, isn't it? We have to stretch it though. We don't want cracking. I'm going to come and I can take that edge right off. I can open that right up. I got lots of wiggle room here. I want to get some more of this Payne's Gray off here without losing that. I do see the beach retreat in there. It's very faint, but it may show up as it dries. There, I got that to go over the edge. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure I dig that though. I see a little like turtle head there with an eye. Do you see him? He's cute. He's cute. Let's see if I can not lose him, but I can get rid of that. Careful, careful. There we go. I'll bring him back in. Ooh, his eye got bigger. And his face got longer. But he looks like his foot here, too. Usually I don't see things in my paintings. Something must be up with me today. Alright, let's torch. Ooh, I just got a ton of cells around his head. Which is kind of cool, actually. Let's let it set 10 minutes and see how much more we get. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Not a lot of change. We did get some more sellage up there. But I also noticed that some of it is sinking, so it's not quite so piled up in that one area as it was before. So I'm going to wipe the edge and I'm going to show you up close what I'm talking about. So right in this area, you can see that some of that is sinking down into the Payne's gray. I really like this. I think the flash colors will be pretty when they're dry. I don't have a lot of shimmer to it, because even the base is shimmery. So I'm going to leave that right there. I thought about tilting that off when I was sitting and watching, and I thought if I tilt that off, I'm going to stretch all of this out, and it's not going to have that ethereal look to it here. So I'm kind of loving this. On this, but I'll wait and see what it looks like when it's dry. I could skewer some of that. Don't scream no. No, don't do it. Just to give it a little movement there. So it's not quite sticking up as bad. That's a lot better. And one right here. Okay. I think I like it better with, it has something different to focus on instead of this. Yeah. Leaving it alone, guys. It's so hard when you want to just pick at it. But sometimes it's a lot of fun to play with something. If you don't like it, scrape it off and do it again. So join us every Monday night right here on the channel. We're live at 9 p.m. Eastern, and we pour for about 2 hours. Last week we did a giveaway, so we like to have fun with our viewers. We're going to be showing off some new products soon, things I'm working on and things that people request from me. And I have a friend that makes some pretty cool stuff, so we're going to be showing that off too. And it'll be an opportunity for you guys to purchase products from them as well. But I appreciate you all, love you all, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.